Hey guys, I'm not sure what this is. I didn't hear him call the signal down there for coming west on 1-2. Ah, okay.
3450 ready to start a constant test whenever you are. Over. Alright. Alright, CSX 3450, I'm in the clear. In position, okay to release brake.
Ah, okay. I don't. This is good.
Position, release in 3, got a hot rail. The opposite side.
Oh, triple crown.
Release.
Okay, so this must be Q031 then, I think.
Please go to fly.
If you want to hear what he said, Hot Wheel, like, huh? He meant, what I mean Hot Wheel is, what I mean is, this train is on track 2, it's passing 216. If I heard correctly, about about 40 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago. If I heard right, this is Q031. If I heard right. So time is now 01:59 a.m. 1:59 a.m.
Alright, no release, good brake test. Roger, good brake test. Stand by, let me put this information in and talk to the dispatcher.
Uh-oh. It'll leak.
That second engine, Steve? So you need a second engine? Can you see what the fuel reading is? Nah, excuse me, 890 gallons.
Oh! Oh, that's not good. Well, actually, we're here by the yards in Baltimore. So they can't refuel it there. Alright, so this one must be yesterday. This one must be real late. Yeah, so right now I'm not too sure it's ID. If I did heard it dispatch for right, this is 031, but I don't know for sure. Alright, you guys look good. You guys be safe going westbound and down.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 460. End of transmission.
Okay, I'm confused.
The brake off this one? Yeah, you can knock the brake off. So, 31 look good with a marker. 216.
Yep, alright. See you guys in the next one.
Pull the train by Steve.
Alright, see you guys.
Alright,
See you guys in the next one.